Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your Trust Wallet from your iPhone to your Android device quickly and safely. If you've just switched phones and want to make sure your crypto and NFTs stay accessible, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to do. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and download the Trust Wallet app from the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, don't open it just yet. We'll need something from your old iPhone first. Now, take your iPhone and open the Trust Wallet app. Go to Settings, then tap Wallets. You'll see a list of all the wallets you've added to your Trust Wallet. Select the one you want to transfer. Next, choose Manual Backup, and follow the prompts to reveal your secret phrase, also known as your recovery phrase. It's extremely important that you keep this phrase safe and private. Write it down on paper or store it securely somewhere offline. Never share it with anyone, because whoever has it can access your wallet. Once you've got your secret phrase ready, move over to your Android phone and open the Trust Wallet app you downloaded earlier. On the main screen, select I already have a wallet, then choose secret phrase as your import method. Now, enter the exact secret phrase from your iPhone. Make sure every word is in the correct order. After entering it, tap Import and wait a few moments. Once that's done, your Trust Wallet from iOS will be successfully imported to your Android device. You'll see your existing crypto balances and NFTs appear automatically. And that's it. You've now transferred your Trust Wallet from iPhone to Android without losing access to any of your assets. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.